some buttons made so I can install the buttons onto the cushions. Start out by making, so how I make these is I just wrap them around my arm. It's about an arm's length, that's plenty. 22, 23, 24, make a couple extra. Alright, so now I've made a good double arm's length. Cut it in the middle. Try to make a good cut because you gotta fish it through the frickin' thingamabooper. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Alright. Alright. Hole is very small, but I got it. Yeah, so basically it's gonna take me all day to try to go in this way. I was able to get this one, luckily. These holes are so small to try to get it right in that hole. Alright. So what I did is I just put this in through backwards. Alright. Alright, I think that's gonna work. Okay. Staple these bad boys down. Okay. That looks pretty darn good. pretty good. Nice backing.